Today we have an iPhone 13 and this is in for a genuine battery replacement. Apple are now finally letting third-party companies like ourselves purchase genuine screens and batteries from them directly. This means we no longer get the pop-ups to say you're using a non-genuine screen or a non-genuine battery. And for battery replacements, we can now see that the battery service is showing correctly with 100%, and it shows you when the battery is depleting as well. So if you've got an iPhone 12 or above, you can now contact us to get genuine parts which come from Apple directly.
على عهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا فديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني
Once the new battery has been installed into the phone, we then have to put the iPhone into diagnostic mode. This then connects to Apple servers and checks if the serial number matches with the battery that they've provided. The servers verify that the battery is correct, and then we get battery health and charging status working again, and as you can see here, the battery is at 100%.